welcome back to Hennessey Performance's YouTube channel. Today we are going to be spending the day with tuner school, so I kind of want to show y'all the behind the scenes on what their typical day looks like. They spend a good amount in the classroom, but also a good amount in the shop. So let's take a look at what they're up to.
So today we got 11 students out in the lab. We're going through doing supercharger installs, finishing them up. We're also installing methanol kits. So today we're going to start wrapping up the supercharger and methanol installs, and then we're going to head into class and learn a little bit about fuels, gasoline, burn rates, stuff like that. Here in the next few days, next week, we're going to start tuning for the supercharger kits, tuning for the methanol installs. So we're actually getting it hands-on on the laptops, get some tuning data going on, and then we'll get them on the dyno. After that, we'll get out on the track, do some polls, see how the cars feel compared to stock, compared to previous mods. And then from there on, we're going to do some special projects. We're going to do welding. We've got a project car that is basically being transformed into a full-on race car. That's being progressed through the past previous classes. Each class usually gets a little hands-on with it, so hopefully make some progress on that, see how far we get. But from there on out, once we're done here, we're going to start returning the cars back to stock, and then more fun yet to come.
And what are the cars that y'all work on?
We've got a 2013 Ford Mustang GT, so it's an S197 chassis with a 5.0 Coyote. We've got a 6th gen Camaro SS with an LT1, so that's direct injection, a little bit newer technology we get to play with. And then we've also got a 2012 Camaro 5th gen SS that has the LS3, reliable, can't go wrong with it. So we got a pretty good balance here, mostly American cars. And then we've also got the Supra that we're hoping to get a little exhaust work done on, our 2020 Supra.
Awesome. All right, Ziggy, how did you hear about tuner school?
I heard about it from a buddy of mine that did it. He's also from Belgium.
What have you enjoyed learning here at tuner school?
Basically that they don't really leave out information. They go over like all the performance things. So we learn about turbos, we learn about superchargers, the meth injection, nitrous injection. So like the whole deal, it's like a package. You don't need focus on one thing. You kind of like learn everything, and you go like in detail about things that are like actual performance, so not really stock and like the actual aftermarket stuff, which is kind of cool.
Do you want to kind of walk me through what y'all been up to this week?
So this week actually we've installed the supercharger kit. We've installed the meth injection kit. So there's like a there's a pump and a little container in the back which holds the,
like in the
methanol.
Okay, yeah.
So we're injecting it now. Like this is a part, like we're almost there. So we're finishing up basically the electronics of the controller. We're finishing up the gauges so we can keep in track on boost and everything. So basically now we're just making everything pretty at this point.
Got Dave and Ron here. If y'all could just tell me what y'all been up to the last week.
Alright, last week we've been doing supercharger. We've been installing all the goodies that we need to install. Today we're gonna hopefully get to tuning.
It's exciting.
Yeah, last week we did a full coilover system on this car. We aligned it ourselves with the BG Racing string kit and the Deco camber and caster gauge. So it's a little bit of old school, but I mean, this is good stuff to learn. I mean, you could take it somewhere, but you're never going to get a more accurate
We also got to test track the cars after we lined it and everything. We did a before and after so we could feel the suspension. So we could tell a huge difference after we put the suspension and everything on. And also after every upgrade that we did the cold air intake first, and exhaust, and some tires, and then we went out there and did it 0 to 60. Everybody got to drive the cars.
Oh, so y'all got to drive the cars. How was that?
Everybody on our team drives our car, and then after we all get a turn, we can actually drive
the other team.
Drive the other team's cars.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really cool. And
what a neat experience.
After we do another upgrade and a tune, then we can see how much faster the car is, and you know, and how much horsepower we pick up after each tune and after each upgrade.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it is really awesome. We both picked the 6th gen because It's the latest model.
Oh, so you guys get to pick which team you're going to be on.
He has the three, the red Camaro, the yellow Camaro, and the black Camaro on the board. And everybody, he said, go write your name under whichever car that you would like to work
You have to
on.
pick wisely.
Right.
This is definitely our supercharger. It's a positive displacement supercharger from Whipple.
Okay.
I believe it's a 2.9 liter. We have this cold air intake. We had to take the box off of it and use a different elbow just because we couldn't go at the angles that we needed. So we did this. We did a full cam swap before we did the supercharger. We did long tube headers from Cook's. It's a full Cook system.
Okay. Liam, how did you hear about tuner school?
I actually heard it from your YouTube page.
Okay.
I followed Hennessey for a while. I think back when Venom GT was first out, that's probably when I heard about Hennessey.
And what's something exciting that you've learned here at tuner school?
A lot of stuff, but my favorite so far is probably the superchargers. We just finished the wire install on it. We're just checking over a few things, but that's probably my favorite so far.
What are you guys up to today?
Right now we're just finishing up our methanol. We used our windshield washer fluid, so there's we're trying to fix right now. There's a nozzle at the bottom, and it's really hard to tighten up because we can't get anything down in there. So we're trying to fix it up and make it so it doesn't leak anymore.
Racing blend, what exactly is in racing gas? How does it get to 116 octane or whatever? There. I'm going to let you know. So what do you guys know about octane? Let's talk about it. You know, when somebody says, I need high octane fuel, what is the difference between 93 and 87? Other than one is premium and one's regular, right? Knock resistance, right? 93 octane premium blend fuels will have knock resistance. What else? Cooler? What about cooler?
A bit dislodge and clog the exhaust. When the exhaust gets clogged, it's like trying to clog a keyhole in the pistons. It sucks. So everything, it just gets catastrophic. So you really got to think about this stuff if you're building a turbo car. When you really want to lean on it, and I start leaning on this car, and we're going for a 1200 or something like that, because this car right here, by the time we're done with it, we'll have to make over 1,000 a year. There's no other option. Tuning no tuning doesn't matter. I have to figure out a way. So then I need to start thinking about getting rid of cats. So there's a limit, like exorcism.